Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I will going to show you how to connect your headphones with your PC. So for this, firstly, you need to on your headphone from your side button, and after that, you need to go to the this bottom button. Here is the Bluetooth device. You just need to go and open this Bluetooth device. And here is the add Bluetooth devices and other devices because we need to add a new device. We just need to click on this plus button and then go to the Bluetooth, and here it search the devices which is on. So mine is the JBL Tune. We need to connect this. Just click on this button and we need to wait for some time that it's connected. Okay, our device is ready now. We just need to click on the done, and I'm going to show you how our device is. So here our device is connected with our PC. By following these steps, you simply connect your headphones with your PC. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity. Bye bye.